Hi, this is Loren Bauman from Jared's Nursery Gift and Garden in Littleton, Colorado. And today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about how to kill sod. Now, there may be some different reasons why you want to kill it. You're going to be doing a vegetable garden, you're going to be doing a perennial garden, maybe a kid's play area. And there's a few different methods you can do. There's always your organic methods, which I'll actually show you one way to do that. You also can do things like your chemical method or your herbicides like your Roundups. There's a couple other ways that you can do it as well that I'll briefly mention a little bit later on. So what I have in front of me today, on the right over here, I've got a sample of grass that we're actually going to be using an herbicide method. I'm going to be using Roundup, which is a contact killer. It'll kill everything it touches. It takes about 3 to 5 days to really kill it all the way down through the roots. I also have on the left over here an organic method that you can do simply using a black plastic bag. Let me show you on how to spray the Roundup, and then I'll just show you a little bit about the black plastic. So what I've got here is a good product you can get at any garden center. It's called Roundup. Roundup is a contact killer, and it's only going to kill what it touches. So I like to use the foam that this one has, so then I see where I've actually sprayed the Roundup. And it's real simple. You're just going to spray and get as much of the grass as you can. Okay? And you'll actually spray the entire thing. Hand might get a little tired, but it works very, very well. Now the key is you want it to sit on there for at least 1 to 3 hours without any rain, so that way it doesn't wash it away. So once I kill this, it's going to take you'll see something within about 24 hours, but it will really be dead in 3 days because that's how long it takes to get down there. Another great method is the organic method, which is using a black plastic. And as you can see here, what I've done is I've put down some rocks on top of the black plastic, and that's to hold it down in case it's windy. You're going to leave it on there for about 3 to 5 days, and when you take it off after 3 to 5 days, this is what the grass looks like. It's going to come back, and it's going to be dead and brown. Now, the other two ways to get rid of it, to kill your sod, one is going to be not watering your grass at all or not watering that area. It's a great way to do it, but it will affect a much larger area. And then the final way is a little bit more of a manual way, and that's where you're just going to take your shovel and dig it out. Depending on what you're wanting to do, the Roundup method works very well. The black plastic does because you can tailor it to the space you're looking for. The watering is too large, and shovel is just more manual labor if you're trying to, and it doesn't always necessarily kill all the roots. So again, this is Loren Bauman from Jared's Nursery Gift and Garden, walking you through how to kill your sod. Thank you for watching.